Most React developers use rendering to mean whatever is making their app slow. That's not what rendering is. When React renders your component, it hasn't touched the document object model yet, not a single node. You're watching React call your function and collect the output. It returns a plain JavaScript object tree, a description of what the screen should look like. The screen hasn't changed. React is building a plan. That distinction is the whole game. The render phase is pure computation. React calls your component functions, and they return element trees. React then compares that output against the previous tree. That process is called reconciliation. It runs on an internal structure called fiber, a linked list of work units, one per component. React can pause between nodes, prioritize an urgent update, and throw away in-progress work. That's only safe because nothing irreversible has happened. The document object model hasn't been touched. This is what makes concurrent mode possible. Because the render phase produces no side effects, React can split it across multiple frames. A keystroke can interrupt an in-progress render. Let the urgent update run first, then resume where it left off. StrictMode exploits the same guarantee. It calls your render functions in development to catch hidden side effects. If your console log fires twice, that's why. I've had engineers file bugs about it. It's not a bug. The commit phase is where React commits to the screen. It takes the finalized fiber tree and applies it in 3 synchronous passes. First, before mutation pass that reads layout state before anything changes. Second, the mutation pass, nodes inserted, attributes updated, elements removed. Third, the layout pass, where useLayoutEffect fires synchronously before the browser paints. The entire commit phase can't be interrupted. React has exclusive access to the document tree for its full duration. This is where the screen actually changes. useEffect fires after the commit phase is complete and the browser has painted. That delay is intentional. Effects stay out of the critical rendering path. useLayoutEffect fires inside the commit phase after mutations, but before paint. If you're reading layout measurements or correcting scroll position, useLayoutEffect is the right call. Put that code in useEffect and you'll get one rendered frame where the layout is wrong, a visible flicker. I've shipped that exact bug. The timing matters. Keep your component functions pure. No mutations, no network calls, no observable side effects. React will call your render function multiple times in concurrent mode and throw away the results. If that function fires a request on every invocation, you have a production bug. It won't surface until concurrent features are on. The architecture is telling you where things belong. Component functions describe state. Effects react to it. That's not a stylistic preference. It's a correctness requirement.